and then press F11. Oh my god, these are like the best graphics I've ever seen. Like if you come and see these graphics, these are the best. These are the best graphics in the world. Like no, PewDiePie's PC cannot hold this. Like I'm not joking. I'm not joking anymore. PewDiePie's PC can't hold this. These graphics are just too good. Oh my god. Like PewDiePie. My PC is better than you. Your PC can't even run this. Low graphics are so my god. Only super PCs can handle it. Like who sees any of this stuff? Jeez. Nobody in the world's PC can hold this. Yeah, my god, sheesh. Yeah, only Jimmy Beast can upload. No, I mistakenly said upload. Only Jimmy Beast can afford this. Because Jimmy Beast is a great guy. I'm not hating on people, I'm just joking. But Jimmy Beast can only afford this picture. And it was given to me by Jimmy Beast. Everybody type hashtag Jimmy Beast is the best comments. If you want to this part of Jimmy Beast is the best. Like, oh my god. Like, isn't Jimmy Beast does the best? No, tell me, Jimmy Beast is the best. He does the best stuff. Subscribe to Jimmy Beast now. Yeah? What do you say? Jimmy Beast is the best YouTuber ever. My god. Jimmy Beast, thanks for this PC. It's awesome. Jimmy Beast, please. Jimmy Beast, give me more PCs, Jimmy Beast. Jimmy Beast, more PCs. My god, can't see everything. So pixelated. Rendering everything pixelated. Jimmy Beast, I love you. No, Jimmy Beast, I still love you. Wow, so this is what Jimmy Beast has done so far. Yeah. Giving me this much money so I can buy the best PC in the world. Come on, Jimmy Beast, they are just too nice. Jimmy Beast, please. My god. Jimmy Beast, thanks. Like, look, these are the best graphics in the world. GTA 6 graphics can't top these graphics. Like, you guys can't see that. In fact, you want to see the goodness of the graphics. I have to increase my resolution a bit. Jimmy Beast is the best. Like, thank you, Jimmy Beast. Thank you. Jolly good show, Jimmy Beast. Jolly good show. Jolly good show. Jimmy Beast is the best. Jolly good show. I'm going to pause this for a bit. Thank you, Jimmy Beast. Thank you. Like, look at how realistic the graphics are. Like, I'm trying to come on. Sorry, no, mistake, no, I'm trying. GTA 6 cannot do this. Like, look at this, no grass. That's so realistic. Pixelated trees, too realistic. Oh my god. Even look, my chat is pixelated. These are the best graphics ever. Morika will be proud of me. Jesus Christ, these are the best graphics ever. So yeah, I really wanted to take a shit. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and I'll see you.